Greetings, Stitchlings! How are you guys all doing? If you are new to my channel, my name is Cynthia and I am the owner of Yarntail Crochet Co. I'm back! So it's been a little while since I made a YouTube video, and I'm sorry, but I am back. I have a new area now to do all this fun stuff in. I've been working on a lot of projects, kind of have too many WIPs in progress right now, but WIPs in progress, works in progress, WIPs in... it works, whatever. My current obsession is bucket hats, and I've made 4 in the last week, which is pretty good because, you know, I have a full-time job, I have a kid, I don't crochet all day long, even though I wish I could, but how cute are these hats? This is mine. This one is never leaving my home. I love this one. So yes. It's an obsession. Those are the other ones. So a new thing for me this year, a goal that I would like to achieve, is to officially have my own website so that I can sell the goods that I make on that website. Currently, I'm available on Etsy. However, I'm not 100% enjoying Etsy. The fees, there's a lot of fees when it comes to the stuff that you sell, and if you are not marketing your stuff, you know, at a decent enough price, you're really not making that much of a profit. Currently, I only have my crochet patterns listed on my Etsy shop, so I think that is how I'm probably going to keep it, at least for the next little while. If you want any of my patterns, visit my Etsy shop, Yarntail Crochet Co. And any of my physical items, I think... What's happening? Sorry, I don't really know what was happening there. I didn't realize it was falling. But anyways, hats, yes. Shopify, that's where we were. So Etsy, love it, great. Keeping my patterns there. It's a little expensive, but whatever. So I have actually been paying for like having my own Shopify store, but just like the demo version, so it hasn't been a crazy amount, but I haven't even made my Shopify store yet. I haven't made any items to put in the Shopify store. Honestly, I've been struggling I have been struggling with which items I want to put into my shop. At this point in time, I'm pretty sure bucket hats are going to be one of them because, like I said, right now, I can't stop making them. So this one's mine. I will make another one to put in the shop, but I love these colors. And then I made this one, which I'm going to call Strawberry and Cream. It is just a really cute pink and white striped bucket hat. Adorable. I also created a rainbow one because we are in June. It is Pride Month, so I made a rainbow one. I also had Lily Sugar and Cream 6-pack of yarn that I got for Christmas, which was these 6 colors, so I decided I would finally use them for something because normally I don't crochet with cotton yarn. But lately... it's kind of been one of the only things I crochet with, especially in the summertime. You know, cotton's a lot lighter, so it's better for summertime stuff. And the one hat that I made yesterday that I'm just beaming because it's so cute. And this one is actually like thanks to my daughter. So I originally started with yellow. I made a yellow. You saw it. I made a yellow top, and then I ran out of yellow for the brim. And then I was like either gonna do pink for the brim, and I was gonna call it Pink Lemonade. But then I saw white and I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna make it into a daisy hat. And then I asked my daughter and I was like, you know, what do you think if I put petals on the brim instead of an actual like normal one? And her eyes lit up like, ooh. So I decided to make it just so she could see what it would look like as a finished product. And guys, it's so cute. Right? Isn't it cute? Is it cute? Is it cute, or am I just like, it's cute though, right? So I'm gonna see if I can make another one of these, and it would be kind of cute because I could like change up the petal color, so it's not always got to be white, but they're cute. And so like the top hat, the hat itself, all these hats, they are Knotting Hooks Crochet. I will put it in the description below. She has a YouTube video that shows you how to make them, and then she also has, like, I found her on Pinterest where like the written pattern is. So the top portion is her hat, and then the bottom portion I did. I'm so proud of myself. Like, look how cute that is. for summertime, right? So this one's definitely gonna be put in the shop. These two are gonna be put in the shop, and like I said, I'm gonna make this one again, because this one's mine, to put in the shop. And I will let you guys know whenever the shop officially becomes live, because honestly, right now, I don't know when that will be. I don't know what is involved with actually creating your own website. So once I figure all that stuff out, I will be sure to pass on the details to you guys. Also, I don't know if any of you guys saw my previously uploaded video, but I did a yarn review for Flower Power All-in-One yarn, and I'm obsessed with it. And I feel like I need to get more colors in it. But so far, I just got the Rosy Disposition, which is a really pretty orange. It's got like a bright orange center, and then it's kind of like light pink. Here's a better color of it. Made them all, made all the squares, plus more. I don't know what I want to do with them. I was thinking of making a backpack, and then I was thinking of making a chair cover for my chair, but then I was also thinking of getting more and just making a blanket. Like, sky's the limit when it comes to granny squares, and they are just so fun to make and so easy to make, especially with a yarn like this where it actually worked out. Like, I gave this yarn a 9 out of 10. Loved it. Can't wait to get it again. The reason why I gave it a 9 out of 10 and not a 10 out of 10 is because they screwed with me on the last square, and that was not okay. So every single square I had up until the very end had more than enough extra yarn that I could potentially even like sew the squares together. But the very last square, no. The very last square had barely enough for me to finish my last 2 rows. Unacceptable. So 9 out of 10. I'm gonna try to get another skein and see if it happens again. Maybe I just got a fluke square or a fluke skein. I don't know. But anyways, love it. I do want to buy more. So this I need to figure out what I want to do. I mean, leave it in the comments below. I've kind of started putting it together because, like I said, I was gonna make a backpack. So this is what I've got together so far. But like, look how cute this yarn is. That is the cutest square ever. Could you imagine this as a blanket, right? Or even like a bag? Guys, help me. I don't know what to do. Let me know what I should do. What should I do with these squares? Should I get another skein and turn it into a blanket, or should I just deal with the 12 that I have and turn it into something? Let me know. Please help me. I need help. Another one of the WIPs that I've got going is a baby blanket. So one of my coworkers, he works with my husband a lot of the day as well. They're having a baby in September, so naturally I need to make this baby a baby blanket. I think I have made every baby I know a baby blanket. And so I was like super nosy, and I was like, you know, what color's the nursery, and like what are like the styles? Blah. So I know they were having a girl. I figured it was going to be something pink or purple. They ended up going with like a pinky purple, so I was like, cool. When I was at Michael's, I saw a really nice variegated skein from Bundles of Love. I can't remember the color, but I will share the color down below. And I ended up starting their baby blanket, and it's turning out super cute. So this is the waffle stitch, and it ends up looking like a giant waffle. My daughter told me that I should crochet little brown squares so it looks like each waffle has maple syrup. That's the mind of an 8-year-old for you. Not gonna lie though, I kind of want to make a waffle blanket now and do that. But anyways, I am continuously working on this lovely blanket. It is definitely coming together, and I'm super, super happy with it. I just want to make it a little bit bigger. That's how much came out of one skein of yarn so far. I have another skein of yarn right there. They are big balls, but they are a thinner yarn than what I'm used to using. So I'm just using a thicker hook so that it's nice and stretchy, and a nice closed weave such as the waffle stitch, which I only recently learned how to use or how to do thanks to a library book that I checked out. My daughter's been huge on going to the library lately, so I've definitely been checking out their arts and crafts section, and I saw a book with crochet stitches, and I thought, sure, I'll learn something new too. So picked it up, glad I did, love the stitch. Last and certainly not least, but I know this is the update you guys have been waiting for, my temperature blanket. Have I been able to keep up with it? No. Have I been trying? Absolutely. I do have the majority of my squares crocheted. I just don't have them all put on my blanket, and I have kind of fallen behind in June, so I do have a few more squares that I need to make up for that, but it is coming along. I am going on vacation in August and I have vacation in September, so there's 2 chances there for me to really catch up if I do fall behind, but I have been working on it, I promise. So the last time I showed you, I think I only had 3 rows done, I think. So I have more than that done. You should be proud of me for that, and it is looking fantastic. So this is what I have so far. Okay, not like a crazy amount done because I've been working on squares. We're up to 4 rows now, but we are finally getting into like the greens and the golds. I have had to include a new color, which is called Arbor Rose, and that is in the Loops and Threads Impeccable yarn, and it is like a really pretty pink, and it has been getting really hot, so I've included this color. If need be, I also have this orange color in case temperatures go over 30 degrees, which apparently it's supposed to next week. So I'm glad I got that alternate color to go with the pink when it gets really hot, because honestly, I thought this was gonna be enough. I live in Canada. Why is it so hot? So yeah, so this is the progress of the temperature blanket. I am still working on it. I still have a butt ton of ends to weave in and knot and do all that fun stuff with, but it is coming along, and I'm gonna do it. It's gonna happen. This is me promising. I don't know if I should promise, but this is me promising. It's gonna get done. By December 31st-ish, I will have a brand new blanket for my bed, and it's gonna be awesome. And like, look at these colors. Like, come on now. Love it. So happy. So I just gotta keep up the motivation and keep doing it. I have been keeping up writing down the temperatures for the days, which is part of the battle. And yeah, I just need to buckle down. I need to buckle down, and I need to work on my temperature blanket and stop starting new projects. That's my problem, because I have the temperature blanket, a baby blanket, my Flower Power all-in-one blanket bag chair cover thing. I have bucket hats, and then I kind of want to make some more rose curtain tiebacks. And my Shopify store. Oh, good Lord. So I have a lot of work to do. So on that note, I'm going to let you guys go and get some of my own stuff together. I'm also going to try to do more like a vlog-like style. So as I'm working on this stuff, I'll film myself in like little snippets so you can kind of see behind the scenes and what I'm doing. But my times to actually, video uninterrupted are maybe once a week. So I will do my best to not make all my videos like a talking head and actually give you some behind the scenes footage of stuff. And yeah, I'm also gonna learn to stop saying Okay, bye. Oh yeah, the thing that all YouTubers say that I really should say and didn't say. If you like this video, be sure to leave it a like and subscribe. I've noticed a lot of you have been, looking at my videos and you're not subscribed, and that is rude. So subscribe. Bye guys.